Today it's a hard day. we we like to make a picket fence in the front of the house. We order them all material custom made to the Melbourne company and deliver it last week. This is the material. I think these are rails. It's coming PVC fence. That's the first time we're doing that um, type of the fence. This is a cap of the post. This is the tools, cement, hinge for the doors, and these parts. This is the panels, and this is a post, and there should be the rail I showed you before. I'm thinking, how can I make this Lego? First post, we have a problem here. Two old posts is there, and all concrete. It's very hard to dig it down 400 deep for this post. We cut it to the size, we mark it, and now what I'm doing, I screwed this post to that wall. This is a strong wall, and I will fill up the concrete on the post. The best way is through this hole, find middle of the bricks. I mark that one, and this one is good. I'm looking in the middle, yeah, and the last one in the middle. Trailer and make a hole to pin up to the wall. Okay, to setting the fence, first we set up the line from the post side to side, and now we understand where is our the fence line, and to find where is exact hole for the post, we have to set the rails and find it where is exactly by the line. Okay, now we find this is one post. We need to dig a hole 400 down and the other one in here. To fix the middle post, we have to install all rails and the panels, and then we know how can adjust the second one. For that, this is the tools we're using for this rail, making
Bumpy.
a tooth to lock it in post, not coming out. Yeah, like that. And after putting the panels, we set the top rail to hold all of them. Okay. Now Tom's installing the panels. Yeah. And when we finish this part, we check the line and set the middle post through the holes. Another rail should be closed, the top one. Yeah, guys, we set the post for the gate. For gate is different. We add a steel post in, and we screw it to the hinge and lock of the door. One side lock and one side hinge. For this, we set up the side of the door gate, and we set the other one adjusting by how much is the rail between them.